Hello, how are you, Twin Flames? Hope you are enjoying your journey with God, right? It's like you are going from separation consciousness to union consciousness. It is like going from hell to heaven. So, what is it? What is it? What else is there on the Twin Flame journey? Is there anything other than your Twin Flame that you are going to experience on your Twin Flame journey? Yes, there is a very big component or very big role of your soul family on your twin flame journey. You can see the people around you, and you can see, like, even all those people are around you, how lonely you are, right? Even if they are around you, they are doing whatever they want to do, but deep within you, you feel like as if there is nobody else. You feel so lonely. You feel like all of them are there just to reject you, right? And it is there because those people are around you, and they are giving you this experience or this feeling of feeling rejected, feeling suffered, because you are choosing to be separated from yourself. So because the moment you start choosing to be loved, you are going to attract your soul family. What exactly is soul family and what is their role on your twin flame journey? Soul family are like your vibration, like equal vibration. You will see, like, okay, this person, like, I don't like to write down, right? I don't like to write down like my to-do list, that I don't like. And then you will see people around you telling you that's wrong, that's bad, that's not discipline. And but then you will see your soul family, you will like see everyone, they will not like to do that, and they are okay with it. That's what is union, right? You don't have to like start doing the things that other people want you to do to be in union with them, right? You will feel naturally union when you find the people who are like you. Like, you may not be liking going out, so then you will see other people around you just taking you, inviting you, come, let's go out, let's go out. And deep within you, you don't feel like going out, or maybe to please them you go out and then you don't feel good, right? Like, you just come back and just resent, why did I go out with them, those things were very bad and all that. So it is always good to invite your soul family on the journey of twin flame, because your soul family will provide you like, is going to show you who you are truly, is going to make you feel accepted, because every soul is different, right? Everyone is different, and you can just be yourself, who, like, however you are, that's enough. And you will be feel very accepted being with your soul family, because they will always be on that path of becoming who they are, and they will express, maybe you like to express in a way that is very uh, it's not loud, or it is not so extrovert. And then you see, like, society all around, you need to be social, you need to be extrovert, you should go out and meet. But when you meet your twin flame, meet your soul family, you will see, like, everyone will be introvert, everyone will be okay, and there will be no force to go out and to socialize, right? You can absolutely be what you are. You don't have to become anything else because the society wants you to be, or because anybody else wants you to be. And they have this misguiding phenomenon to tell you always, if you become if you become like that, then the people are going to accept you. Like, if you see with mostly with the karmic relationship, like, if you become a very handsome boy, or like you always try to have clothes and everything, those looks like some legend or anything, or maybe if you are a girl, then you like having this kind of dress is only going to make you feel good because other people around you who you believe are looking or like accepted by other people, then it is going to be okay. But the truth is your twin flame is going to like you who you are truly. Maybe you are in a very simple t-shirt, or maybe you are in a very simple dress or kurta, or the way you want to be. Your twin flame is going to love you, and that is how your soul family does it. Your soul family is never going to judge you the way you dress, or even they are not going to judge you how you should behave. Okay, you can absolutely be yourself, like absolutely be yourself. Like the way you can see me, like I am not able to talk the classic English, right? Even I cannot talk the perfect Hindi. You can see my Hindi videos, but it is just that I am accepted like this. Like my twin flame accepts me like whatever I am, right? Like this, my soul family accepts me and adores me like anything, right? And that is what I want. I don't want like you call up somebody in your relative or in your friend circle, and all that they have to do is give you a bunch of thing that you need to improve on yourself. See, last time in that photo, in that dress, it was not looking good. You remember that time you had that nail polish and that was chipped off. Okay, that is fine. That is fine. Nothing is, turning around by having that experience. You remain same, even if externally whatever it is. But that feeling, you are only going to get it with your soul family. Like even in a day you are like completely drained out, something had happened, and all that you want is just to be with yourself, and you feel like some friend calling you to go out with them for dinner, you will not feel naturally go there because they are going to make you feel more bad. Sorry, they are going to make you feel worst. See how bad is my English, but I am still choosing to speak to you because I know when you are connecting with me, you will not judge me the way I say, but you will understand my feelings, right? So this is what exactly is your soul family going to do with you, is your twin flame going to do with you. So stop believing that those people don't exist. Your absolute eternal love exists. Your soul family who loves you unconditionally exists. But you are going to meet them only when you start to believe, or you start to choose union consciousness with them, because you need to choose them. There is still within you, because you feel like you need to be with these people. Somewhere you feel like they need to accept you. That's why you are trying your best to change yourself to be with these people. I'm telling you, it's not going to help you, not going to help you personally, and not at all going to help you on your twin flame journey. Okay, so it is always good that you start deserving, that you deserve your twin flame, and you deserve your soul family, and you deserve to be appreciated, you deserve to be loved in whichever condition you are. Okay, maybe a simple t-shirt, a simple pajama, you will be absolutely fine, absolutely authentic, and you can absolutely just love yourself completely. And that's how your twin flame and your soul family is going to love you back. So you don't have to stick to those people who are making you feel like that, right? They, even if you must, by being with those people, you must be believing how rude is this world, how painful is this world, why did I came to this world to it actually, this is exactly going to make you feel like this is why I literally have done something wrong, that's why I am in this situation, and like I deserve to be suffering, I deserve this punishment, this is why it is. But you don't have to stay in that, just make a choice. There are thousands, millions of people who are journeying towards the union consciousness, right? Everyone truly within their uh, authentic self desire to be loved. Nobody desire to be rejected. So just make a choice and you are going to attract those people into your life. And once you start getting into that vibration, you are naturally going to attract your twin flame, because till the moment you don't feel loved within yourself, your twin flame is not going to love you, because your twin flame is not a like a supplement capsule. It's not that capsule that is going to make you feel love. It will come to you as a gift when you feel loved. So that's the difference. So at this moment, don't feel that you are punished. Just make a choice to meet your soul family, and that is going to support your twin flame journey. They are going to show you how beautiful you are, what a beautiful soul you are, what are your divinity, what are your skills, because they will having the same skill. And also know that your soul family plays a big role on your life purpose, because maybe there could be a possibility that all of your soul family will come together and do something together. So that is also possible. It's not necessary that only you and your twin flame are going to work towards something. Your always soul family will support you in your expansion. So choose everything in love. You deserve it. Thank you.